Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech innovations.
Today, we're diving into the world of car accessories with a game changer.
The Carpuride 2024 newest upgrade wireless CarPlay and Android Auto 7-inch Full HD touchscreen portable car radio receiver. If you're in the market for the best portable CarPlay display, you're in for a treat. Let's kick things off by highlighting what makes this Carpuride system stand out from the rest. With seamless compatibility with both CarPlay and Android Auto, this device takes your driving experience to a whole new level. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to convenience. One of the standout features of this Carpuride unit is its wireless functionality. Imagine effortlessly accessing your favorite apps, making calls, and navigating with voice commands, all without ever taking your eyes off the road. It's like having a personal assistant right in your dashboard. Impressive feedback, wouldn't you agree? But that's not all. The Carpuride 2024 boasts a 7-inch Full HD touchscreen, delivering crystal clear visuals and intuitive touch controls. Whether you're streaming music or watching videos, every detail pops on this vibrant display. And let's not forget about the easy installation process. With the included suction mount and self-adhesive bracket, securing this Carpuride unit to your dashboard or windshield is a breeze. Plus, its compatibility with 99% of car models means you can enjoy upgraded infotainment without the hassle of a complex installation. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best portable CarPlay display, look no further than the Carpuride 2024 newest upgrade wireless CarPlay and Android Auto 7-inch Full HD touchscreen portable car radio receiver. With its seamless integration, stunning display, and effortless functionality, it's a game changer for any car enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, drive safe and stay tech savvy.